So there is this one plug. I'm guessing it looks like the what do you call it, a rotor encoder sensor. I do need to take it off for now just to get this loom out of the way. I'm going to chuck some tape on it right now, label it so that we know exactly where it goes back and so that we know that it's important. Now there we go, a lot cleaner up in there. There's be a little bit more room to try and work out how I'm going to do this. Okay, I've been looking at this for about half an hour now. See, I've got my little piece of pipe on there, roughly where I'm thinking about going. I have a rough plan of what I want to do, but just this distance that's happening in here. When I first put the motor in, I specifically had it all the way over to the left and as far back as it can go. So we still have that little bit of clearance in there, and the thing that's stopping us going left any further is, where is it? There's all this, the hydro stuff up in there. That's pretty much our limit going this way. So I've got room to move it over, and I now know that I need to move it over a bit. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I've got it sitting on wooden blocks. I've had them on the ground the whole time, so when I'm not here I'll just lower the car so the motor's actually sitting on the ground, not on these straps. But it also makes it really easy to just move it over like that, just like that. And when I pick it up, the whole thing should just move where I want it to be. Okay, I'm a little bit happier with the spacing we have in there now. Got that same sort of space on that side now. And so I need to start working out a bit more detail about where the pipes are going to go, where the mounts are going to go. And one of the easiest things for me to do is make some stuff out of cardboard. So what I've currently got going is just a bunch of these little circles like that, and then there we go. So I'm cutting up a bunch of these. I'm gonna sit some along this piece of wood here so it can roughly simulate my pipe, and then I'll grab my other pieces, start having them hang down, and then we will just go from there. Alright, so just got that one there, roughly on it with that stuff, because I know I can't go right next to this because I've still got to fit the plate that mounts the Leaf motor, but at least to get a little bit more of an idea of how I'm going to make this work, because this is definitely a challenge.